Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PowerSchool how to set up weighted grading. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up weighted grading in PowerTeacher Pro, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your browser. Then once you're inside there, on the search bar type in PowerSchool.com. Then once you are there, what you need to do is go to your school's PowerSchool portal and select PowerTeacher Pro from the menu by simply tapping on the three horizontal bar. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is in the left hand navigation, click on settings or gear icon, then select traditional grade calculations. Then once you're inside, choose the class and grading term, example question 1 in semester 1 for which you want to set up weighted grading. Then simply click the pencil or edit icon next to the reporting term like Q1, and on the type select category weighting. Then all you gotta do is simply click on add category and select each category you want like homework, test, quiz, etc. and enter a weight percentage for each. For example, test equals 50% and homework equals 30% and so on. And lastly, all you gotta do is click on save when finished. If needed, repeat the process for other sets of grading terms. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.